Does my HVAC warranty cover repairs? It usually covers certain parts and labor for repairs, but only if the problem fits the warranty rules and the system was installed and maintained the right way. The best way to understand an HVAC warranty is to think of it like a promise with conditions. Some warranties cover parts like the compressor, blower motor, or control board, while others cover only the replacement part and not the labor to install it. That means a repair might still cost you money even when the part itself is covered. Many people do not know that a warranty can be canceled if the system was not installed by a licensed professional, or if regular maintenance like filter changes and yearly tune-ups were skipped. A small detail that matters a lot is proof, because companies often ask for the model number, serial number, install date, and service records before they approve anything. Another thing to watch is whether you have a manufacturer warranty, a contractor warranty, or a home warranty, since each one works differently and covers different things. For example, a manufacturer warranty often protects against defects in the equipment, but it may not cover problems caused by bad installation or normal wear from age. If you want to check your own coverage, look at the warranty paper, find the exact list of covered parts, and call the company before paying for a repair. If you do that, you can avoid surprise bills and know whether the fix should be free, partly covered, or fully your responsibility. One common mistake is thinking the whole system is covered when only certain parts are, so always check whether labor is included or not. Another mistake is missing the maintenance requirement, and the simple fix is to keep every receipt and service note from yearly inspections. A third thing to be careful about is using an unapproved repair person, because that can sometimes void the warranty, so make sure the work is done by someone the warranty allows. Also, do not wait too long after a problem starts, because some companies want fast reporting or they may question the claim. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job at Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.